Quadcopter 101 out here in Mojave on an extremely blustery day. I just flew my X50 in this wind. It was flying backwards for a little bit there. But this, we're talking to 15, well, this is about 20 knots now. It keeps getting blustery and more blustery as time goes on. I'm going to give this a try. This is the little Xinxun X50. Let's see if it can fight the wind. I sincerely doubt that it will, but I'll give it a try. And if it does, I'll put this up on YouTube. That'll be impressive. So, Xinxun is bound. Transmitter's on. Going to high. 3, 1, full forward pitch on takeoff. Well, it can. Well, good for you, little Xinxun. I ain't gonna do much more than this. Just see how much you can fight that wind. Extreme wind. But I'm in full forward pitch here. Let's get a little closer to the ground. Maybe get some lesser wind closer to the ground because of the bushes. But yeah, this is just about as successful as the X50 was in this wind. I'm gonna send it further upwind. By the way, the transmitter on this, I tried to use rechargeable batteries with 1.2 volts. It doesn't like 1.2 volts. I had to put in standard 1.5 volt batteries. Actually, these are cheap little super heavy duty batteries. It likes those better than good rechargeable batteries. Otherwise, you hear an annoying beep from this transmitter saying low battery, even though it's not really low battery. Like that way. Little Xinxun. Impressive that you can do that. I bet if I cut off those prop guards, I could go even higher winds than this. Let's get you back here. Okay. Let's try it again. Let's point you into the wind. Full forward pitch. What do we got here? Today it's even more extreme wind over at Satellite Lake. That's why I'm not over there today. Okay, that was just a quick demo. One more try. This wind's getting stronger and stronger as time goes on here. They're predicting like close to 30 knot winds today. It's quite calming. It's getting up there right now. Okay, that's enough flying of it. But yes, the Xinxun can fight reasonable winds. This is not reasonable wind. So, I hope you enjoyed this flight. This is Quadcopter 101 with the Xinxun Sky Alien on a blustery day. It is a windy day flyer, but not this much of a windy day. Okay, Quadcopter 101 signing out.